Thanksgiving. Yes, Jamra.
I don't know where they carry me. Them carry me to one place. All right. So I'm just going along for the ride. They said it's my birthday, so hold on. Let me show you where I am. It's the Hutchinson Resort and Spa, and they said I gotta get on out. Hello. Hold it for me.
Really? Hey. Oh. A silent night.
Let me show you all for the ride. Yeah, they said it's my birthday, so we're going to Drift Kitchen and Bar. The Drift Kitchen. Let's see what we see.
So this gentleman is here celebrating his 50th birthday, yes. And we are here with some beautiful people. Yes, the cute couple. BFFs over there.
And the BFF over here,
So we're in the process of doing the ordering, guys. And the restaurant is pretty nice so far. All right, so for the drinks we got mango daiquiri. He's having some red wine over there.
Happy birthday again.
Have to smell it.
Yeah, man.
You can have the nose.
Whatever you feel like. A year and night tonight.
It smells good.
Yeah? How it is?
Come, you have to describe it. Come on now.
What do you taste?
So it's semi-sweet
Yeah.
with very, very subtle hints of grape.
Yeah.
Very light on the palate. Airy. Can pair well with like seafood,
Yeah.
or like a nice filet mignon. Not too heavy. Not too
Yeah.
heavy meat. And it's very good.
Right.
Yeah, I would enjoy the entire glass.
Yeah, man. A year and night.
Yeah, man. Worth it.
And then we have, what is it?
Simone, have you tried that one?
Coconut lime.
Margarita.
Lime lemonade.
Yeah.
And this is
Vodka.
mango.
Mango, margarita.
Mango and ancho chili, mango rim salt juice
Yeah. This is
With-
vodka though.
with sugar and water base.
All of them.
What is that?
What?
It's
Yeah,
a
bread.
bread.
This is bread.
This is your house bread?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Meaning it's on the house.
No, it's not about.
But it's in, oh, never mind. Figure it out.
No.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
We knew that. Oh,
Awesome.
that's the one I want.
Babe, where's your plate?
So this is the blueberry
No, I don't want none of that.
Butter.
creme
You don't want to try the
No,
coconut?
I'm waiting for my
something.
food.
And
Because if I
the
eat it, I'm not going to eat it.
Something around with you.
No, you know I'm bread.
So apparently everything came out very quickly.
I
I
know.
was just about to say.
Not
Okay.
normally the
So that is the what? The steak, the New York steak.
Yeah.
And Simone have the salmon with nice peas and something. And can they have the seafood stew
That look
with a little bit of lobster mussels and them something there.
Better mash.
And I have the short ribs. Yeah. So bon appetit, guys.
Bon appetit.
Appetit.
Here.
So, what I think about the food? Overall, the concepts are good. You know, flavors gel nicely. Seasoning, a little bit lacking.
Yeah.
But we know why. You know, we're not gonna rush them on that. Ambiance, decor, nice. Feel good being here. You know. It's a nice little place where you want to get away, and you know, prices competitive. You know, again, if I could say out of 5, I would say 3.5 out of 5. You know, the different meals were you know, categorized. Kino, may I get the phone? But so for now, yeah, we're at 3 out of 5 based on what I had, which was the short ribs. No,
I asked him. So what you want it?
I had salmon, and the salmon was crispy on the outside, and there was no seasoning on the inside, unfortunately. But because I'm on my health kick, it was still fine, so I still give it. I give it about a 3.75.
him drink half buckle, half cup, half glass.
Yes.
One local glass. See that?
Oh wow.
I had mine, and I'm helping him with his.
But I might ask you know.
I'm putting you on blast.
Brother,
Somebody else needs to, you need to drop me.
I never spin, brother.
And drop the moment they take the vehicle.
Drop the one and take the vehicle.
Yeah,
Tell
because
who?
he can drive.
No, I can drive.
No, you
beg.
cannot. I know you're going to drive 2 miles per hour.
See clearly.
Clear.
Guys, it's nice. We're enjoying ourselves.
Happy birthday to you.
Woo! Happy birthday to you.
Guys never did this.
Happy birthday, dear Sam.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. She forced you to do this, right?
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Ready?
Yes. Woo! Wow. That's it.
That was a good wish. I saw it.
Thank you.
Them just sing the something and I never like it. And them do cake and thing.
It's a Black Forest cherry cake.
That looked very scrumptious.
Oh, what
You
we
know,
forget?
come grab off the chocolate and eat from her.
Oh, she's going to plate. Okay.
She's very nice and accommodating.
Come on now.
I want this brother.
Go eat.
Go ahead.
3. 1. Where do? Enemy. 1.
Please do that. Do the day batch cut.
1, 2, 3. Go. Wait, what? What happened?
Really? Why did that? You couldn't gauge. You're supposed to gauge where place it on back.
Place it back on there.
This is the devil's work. All this cake to try and trick me. It's not gonna work.
When you're going to the beach, like from your house, like down a little bit. We can take
You know, I like to talk about YouTube, right? Just like. So the thing I really like about being adrift is that the nautical theme with that, you know, wood tone being the major feature. I guess drift is reminiscent of driftwood that would wash up on the beach, and that's the whole theme behind it. They do fresh pasta. Their kitchen is live. They're actually cooking in front of you. I mean, from the handmade pizza to even the fact that they have a pizza oven, you know, in the middle of the restaurant. is one of the plus that I like. The food is fresh and authentic. The menu is minimal, not a whole lot of stuff. And aside from the fact that we wanted ours to be a little bit more island vibe with the seasoning, the rest of it was perfect. I definitely feel like if you go over to Drift, you would enjoy something from the menu, something would grab you, and of course, you can always relax at the bar. We ended up going outside on the terrace by the other bar that is on the property, and of course, we just wanted to see the place, and it was night, so we never get to see everything. But God know it nice, and we loved it and enjoyed it, and do hope that you will enjoy it when you visit. You can't see nothing.
Yeah, right? Nice. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, man, you're good. So it's by the ocean. You can hear the waves. Beautiful, beautiful, and it's a it's a relatively small property, you know, with the restaurant. You guys can't see me, but it was awesome. As we said, reviews are relatively good. What time do you generally close? 10. Okay, 10 o'clock. Okay. And it's worth coming out and visiting. I would definitely come back here. Take the wife for evening out. Yeah. And babes, would you come back here?
I would at lunchtime in the daytime when we can
See the ocean and everything.
I would.
Yeah, definitely. Awesome. It was a nice time. Nice took a birthday. I wanna enjoy the place, guys. Another come back?
Yes.
I'll go forward, not back, thanks.
Bye. Bathroom looks amazing. Decor is awesome. I really like the mirror here. Yeah, man, trust me. You know you're in a nice place, upscale place, when the bathroom is like this. And the napkins have the name of the company on it. Awesome.
I like this. The whole wood tones of the restroom with the high, tall doors. Nice, I like it. This looks like a tunnel of sorts. Oh, wow. These bathrooms are super tall for some reason. Yeah. Nice. Different. Interesting.
Nice accent wall. It's awesome. Clean. Love this feature here. General lobby is nice. Sitting area is nice. It's definitely worth coming to spend some time. Yeah. Sit and socialize.
So guys, it was an amazing evening. I mean, provided that we were not sure as to what we were getting ourselves into, I must say that it turned out to be a pretty fun evening. Usually is, you know, it's all about bringing the excitement, bringing the fun. The food is just, you know, an icing on the cake. So regardless of the food, you know, we would still have a great time. It's all about the company and just the experience. So, yeah.
Look at this beautiful chandelier right here. Just awesome. Awesome, guys. Totally awesome. It's like turtle shells. Yeah. It's totally awesome. Overall, this place is beautiful. The decor is awesome. Yeah. And great ambiance. We totally love it. And we enjoyed ourselves there. Kino and Simone are having fun. And it's definitely worth visiting if you're in Florida. If you're in Jensen Beach, Port St Lucie, this is an awesome place for you to come and visit. Definitely. Awesome. This is the sea fish of the king of the sea. The swordfish. It's so swordy and beautiful. Yeah man, nice sculpture. The place is nice, guys. Nah, I don't it my youth, don't place nice.
Very nice.
Yeah man, it's worth getting into. Trust me. If you're not over here, go to Hutchinson Island. Come over to Hutchinson Shores Resort and Spa. Well worth it. Well worth it. Just a visit. Yeah. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend about Yardie TV. And of course, we will be in another restaurant, in another place pretty soon. So stick and stay and don't stop watching. Big up on yourself.